Today's video regarding HP DeskJet 2742e printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Now first step is to switch on the printer. Go to the front door and you will see this is the front door of the printer. So open it. Also open the ink cartridge chamber door. Now wait for the ink cartridges to move and come into the middle. Press the ink cartridge down with your hand, fingers or thumb and take them out. You might have to press a little bit hard. To install a new ink cartridge, take it out of the plastic packaging. Place color ink cartridge on the color side. So just place the ink cartridge, slide it in. Hold the printer with the other hand and push it in. It will lock. Do it same for the black ink cartridge. Close the ink cartridge chamber door. And your printer is ready now. So this way we can easily reinstall or replace the ink cartridges. Thanks for watching.